everyone. Today our new topic from your book 4 is uses of computer. Yes, this is your chapter 1 from your computer book. Let's see what this chapter is all about. This is the overview of the chapter, the topics which we will discuss in this chapter, which are some of the areas in which computer is necessary in school, in office, in banks, in libraries, shops and hotels, in robots, in railway and air reservations, in computer controlled areas, in filmmaking. So these are the topics which we will discuss in this chapter. Let's see what is in within these topics. Now, when we are talking about uses of computer, it means we are talking about the computer use in different areas. So, in this chapter, we have different topics in which we will discuss how we will use the computer in different areas. So our first topic from this chapter is the use of computer in a school. In a school, number of people we have number of departments and we have number of different uh, different people which use computer for different things. For example, students use computer to help themselves in research or create amazing homeworks or the projects, as well as teachers use computer to get the different and effective information related to your topics, related to your subject. The admin use computer for managing your data, managing your fee structure, and number of things, and there are more features and more things we can do with the computer within the school. Some of them, especially, will discuss about the student, as you are our student. So we used to write and research about the school work which is given by the teacher, as well as we are nowadays using computer for interacting, yes, for communicating with your classmate, with your teachers. You use Zoom, software Zoom, to communicate with each other, and we also research and share materials and projects. I used to share your homework using WhatsApp, so that is also the software which is used for school use. Okay, so computer is very helpful within the school for doing number of different work, make our work easy. The next topic in this chapter is in filmmaking. Now, this topic is very much rare to you because most of you are not interested in filmmaking and something else, but you must be interested in the animated movies. Yes, these animated the characters, the movies are created by computer. They are not living things. Okay, they are computer created, their movements are computer created, their features, everything. For example, Tom and Jerry, um, Nickelodeons, or anything, uh, any cartoon character you used to see on the TV as an animated movie is created by computer in a 3D computer generation. Okay, 3D effects are used by computer to create the animated characters for you to enjoy the animated movies. Very important factor and area where we use computer is in office and in banks. In office, computer is used to write letters, sending emails, and schedule meetings within the co-workers or with the clients. Yes, their own co-workers or the clients, as well as nowadays in office people are working from home, they are interacting their co-worker with through the internet, through the computer, and you're doing their work. Similarly, in bank is all about computer work. Yes, they have accounts on your computer. They have the database of your account in your computer in their computer. they have account payable process in computer. Everything is in computer within the bank. So when we are talking about their advertisement, yes, their advertisement is also created by on computer using 3D animations or using 3D effects, or they shoot or something, they use filmmaking, and everything includes within the computer to create any effective advertisement to indulge customer within their features or within their company. Okay. In libraries, computers are useful in libraries to actually record the data. They also use in libraries for helping the librarian to maintain the database of where to issue, how to issue, and whom the book is issued, as well as returned. So this is a very important part of the library which is maintained on the computer, as well as computer resource is also used in library for academic or educational purpose or research purpose. The use of computer in shops and hotels. Yes, hotels. In hotels, they used to do reservations. They assign rooms. They do meetings, and they plan the special events. By using the computer, they create the log. They have their database regarding the hotel and their stuffs. Everything is managed and organized within the computer, and to access it more easily at any time, anywhere. Similarly, in shops, shops use computer for again doing documentation regarding their food, their beverages, their supplies, their customers, as well as their co-workers, their clients. So computer is helpful for hotels and shops too, because without computer they can't organize and maintain their record for later use. Important area where computer is used is computer controlled area. Yes, where everything is controlled through the computer. Its computer system manages commands, directs or regulates the behavior of other devices. Yes, this is the area which is very delicate and very sensitive to be used, and this is maintained and organized and handled by the professionals. You and us can use this area, not even can access this area for our normal use, for our regular use. In this area, the computer process controls a digital computer to direct the operations of a manufacturing process. Yes, it directs the operations and which part or which device used to do which work, and this is done in a very organized manner, and can be handled by only professionals.
When we talk about the robots, they are actually the multi-motion devices with one arm or more arms and joints. They look similar to the human, as well as they are computer controlled robots to perform manual tasks. When we talk about robots, it sounds very interesting how to operate these robots. Robots are mostly used in industrial areas where its human hazard products are designed or created. Some of the basic keys which help uh, the com- the robot controller to use is, according to UNO, is that when they press B, the small or the capital B, the robot change his states and start moving to backward until the next command achieved them. Similarly, when they press L, capital or small, the robot gets turned left. Yes, it gets turned left until the next command. The very last and the very basic one after the L, press L button is R. Yes, when they click on R, the robot turns to right. Very basic keys which normally we use to operate the robots. There are multiple keys which have different meanings, uh, but these are the three basic one in which is normally used when they used to operate the robots.
In railways and airlines. In railways and airlines, we use computers similar for managing our document, for organizing our data, for future use. For example, computer is used to control the traffic, and for the following purpose, computers are used to say to make reservations in airlines as well as in railways, maintaining timetables and true schedules and payrolls and uh, in fact in airport the plan of how much the plane will stay, when the plane will fly, and when the new plane is arriving is also managed by computer. Okay, computer document. As well as it also modifies travel arrangements at any airport. Computer are necessary for the use of pre-screening measures. Yes, for pre-screening, for searching, for security person, computer is also useful in that when the luggage is put on the rail and that is the luggage is moving through the screen, the person, the worker can see the prohibited cheese, prohibited things within the video, within the picture, and he can detect it.